Everybody, welcome back to another Krita tutorial. Today we're going to go over the two ruler options in the assistant tool list. They're very similar, which is why they're being combined into one video. So let's get started. If you haven't already, make sure to have the assistant tool activated and go over to tool options. We're going to go to the infinite ruler. I'm actually going to make my brush a little bigger just so you can see here. Oops. So it's basically just 2 points. You make the first point, you can make a diagonal if you want, or you can hold the shift key and make a perfectly straight line, which I'll just keep there. And we're going to just draw a line. So as you can see, it's infinite, it goes off the canvas. So this is kind of nice. So if I were to make another one on a diagonal here, go back to my brush. Oops, I'm on the eraser, sorry. I can make a diagonal line here, and it's not like limited to the size of the assistant tool I made. Now I did notice I get a little bit of vertical weirdness here. I'm not entirely sure why that is. It looks like the magnetism is not proper. I don't know. So yeah, I'm not entirely too sure why it's doing that, but for the most part, if I go and make a straight line across this, it's going to do it without any real major issue. But if you run into that issue, I'm not entirely sure why that is. If you don't run into that issue, cool. So I'm going to delete these and go to another layer and go to the parallel ruler, because this is a little bit different. Back here. So just like the infinite ruler, I can hold my shift key to make a straight line, or I can just make a diagonal one. Here, you can see it's like the concentric circle where wherever I move my pen is where I get this ruler guide. And this is really nice because I can make speed lines, I can make some crazy patterns. If I need to make a brick texture, I can put a line here and the next one down here, you know, so on and so forth. Make some cool effects. And if I go ahead and delete that and make a line on a diagonal, we'll do the same thing. It's not restricted to just doing a perfectly horizontal line. And that's really it for the infinite ruler or parallel ruler as well. So infinite rulers we went over, and parallel ruler. Alright, so if you have any questions about these two, let me know in the comments below. I will do my best to answer them. Hope you learned something new with these two ruler assistant tool options. They're very simple. You can get a lot of use out of them if you're a comic artist, which I think is pretty important. Make your own speed line patterns, all that fun stuff. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. If you have any comments about this, like I said, just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.